Hello everyone, welcome to taibraPainting. In this video we are going to show you the gradual process of 3D panel installation. You can see you will need to arrange your regular motif. At least take out a square meter of the panel. Sometimes 4 pieces forms a square meter, and while sometimes there are 2 pieces of 3D panel that form a square meter. Like here now, this is 4 pieces in a square meter. So try to arrange the motif before installation. This will give you an insight on how to go about the installation, and it will make your work more easier. Try it out until you achieve your preferred motif that you are going to use. The next process you will need: place the plum above the panel until you achieve a perfect straightness both vertically and horizontally. When this is done, then you mark it out with your pencil or your chalk. So after doing this, you can then place your panel alongside and mark multiple, so that will allow you to know where you are going to apply your gum. After marking multiple out, or the whole of the wall, then you apply your gum. You apply the adhesive gum both on the wall and on the panel, and you allow dryness for 5 to 10 minutes. Ensure that the adhesive gum is dried up to like 10 minutes in order to achieve firmness. Then you can place it gently on the wall using mallet or by your hand. Ensure they are properly aligned, and do not allow opening between the panel. So, and in case there are opening between the panel, try and fill it up with your wall putty. So after all these processes, when you are done, you can then decide to paint it whichever desired color, or you leave it the partial white. Thank you for watching this video. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to our channel, we'll be glad you do so. Thank you. In case we need the process to this installation, check the description below. Thank you for watching our video. If you are yet to subscribe to our channel, we'll be glad you do so. Kindly subscribe to our channel. Thank you.